Latest update coming from the Forex Shark group is that the pigs, the piggy bank and the pig pen all will be launched at the same time. The users who had the pigs LP in piggy bank will get credited in the piggy bank, as we have already gone over. So if you had your pigs LP in the piggy bank, you'll be getting your credit there in the piggy bank. So that one will require no action from you. Those who had pigs and pigs LP in their wallet, which is less than 3% of pigs, will be able to credit to their wallet. So the pigs and the pigs LP that were held in their wallets, they are actually less than 3% of these pigs, so they will be credited to their wallet. The V2 tokens will be airdropped to them, so these are, you will be getting these airdrops. The only people who will need to use the crediting dashboard are those who had pigs in the pig pen. So remember, we had the pig pen and then we had the dogs pool. If you had your pigs in the pig pen and you did not actually claim them, then you will be needing to do something in order to get your funds. Those who had the pigs in pig pen, when everything was paused, will have two options. Everything was paused and now you could not get your pigs from the pig pen. You will have either of these two options. So the first one will be they can send BUSD to the credit contract. The credit contract will pair this BUSD with their allocated pigs, then utilize the gift stake function to make a stake for them in piggy bank. So once you send your BUSD to the crediting contract, it will actually stake for you and then put them in the piggy bank. The user interface on the credit contract allows them to time lock this stake just like the piggy bank dashboard. Remember, in the dashboard we were able to time lock, so the crediting user interface will actually allow you to time lock, allowing them to earn time locking bonuses. Those who credit the piggy bank in the first 48 hours will get the same additional 20% bonus as people who deposit fresh capital into the piggy bank in the first 48 hours. So in the first 48 hours, when you credit that contract, you'll be getting a 48% bonus. Those people will be putting fresh funds into the piggy bank. Within 48 hours, will also be getting 20% bonus. Another option that you have for those guys who had their pigs in the pig pen, they can credit it to the pig pen. So you can actually credit to the pig pen instead of the crediting contract. In the pig pen, they will then start earning 3% of the pig pen's BUSD balance every day. You'll be earning 3% in the piggy bank, which is the BUSD, which is worth millions of BUSD right now. On top of this, we have added another cash flow into the pig pen, which is extremely attractive and will be generating millions of dollars worth of dividend for pig pen stakers as soon as the pig pen goes live. This cash flow is pigs which are generated from piggy bank deposit withdrawal fees. So these new funds will be generated from the piggy bank deposits and the withdrawals. These pigs will be sent to the pig pen and used as rewards to pig pen stakers. If you had your funds in the pig pen, the first option is to credit the credit contract so that you can your funds can go directly to the piggy bank, and you can also time lock, or you can just credit the pig pen and start earning BUSD. Users can use the crediting dashboard to choose how much pigs they want to send the pig pen and how much they want crediting to the piggy bank, as this way they can diversify if they choose. So you have an option to actually diversify your earnings from the pigs, either from the piggy bank or from the pig pen. When Animal Farm goes fully live, that is when we migrate for V2 PancakeSwap serial pool integration. BUSD will continue to be generated for pig pen dividends from Animal Farm deposit fees as well as taxes on dogs, but with improved logic to increase the BUSD cash flow. On top of this, a pig's dividend will continue to be generated for pig pen from piggy bank fees. So the piggy bank will actually be helping us to generate funds for the pig to ensure pigs goes live with game theory that is extremely bullish, and to further instill that pig pen represents ownership of Animal Farm. Will be making an improvement to the time locking mechanism. Just like majority of owners of traditional industry have utilized vested shares to ensure the integrity of the platform and its underlying assets, so will PIGGY. This means PIGGY balances will be time locked, with a 2% of the balance being made available for withdrawal every day. It means that the funds of the PIGGY will be actually time locked, and you can access only 2% to withdraw on a daily basis. So it means that people cannot actually dump on this token when it's locked, and only 2% is available for everyone to withdraw on a daily basis. With this new and innovative PIGGY mechanism, not only will it be generating way more value than it did in the V1 model, it is also way more bullish for PIGGY, considering 97% of PIGGY will be locked up at launch. It will be highly deflationary, and the incentive to lock it up for reals is stronger than ever. That's the update about the animal farm. We've actually been waiting for so long for the launch. Then the update for the launch, it was pushed forward due to the dogs token having some issues. So this is the new update on what actually will be going. You've seen that the piggy bank and the PIGGY will actually be launching the same time, and then those people who need to do some action, those people who just need to wait for things to go on their own and then receive their funds. So let's continue waiting, let's not lose hope. I believe that this PIGGY will actually make us some good money, as the drip faucet still working, the drip garden still working, as much as the decay is so rapid, but they're still working. I believe that when the drip token starts to moon, it will actually make the drip garden to start printing much money, because when the value is low, it means the decay is also rapid. But things will actually peak and we start making some good bucks. So that's it about the update. If you like this content on some passive income on the animal farm, the drip garden, just hit the subscribe button. Like our video, share, comment down below also. Peace guys.